When it comes to the cleaning, it's extremely simple. Put it back in the station. The only thing that you have to do is just press the self-wash button one time.
And it runs the soaking cycle with forward and reverse brush rotation that separates debris and hair and mimics the hand washing motion that reduces the buildup over time, and it keeps the performance consistent. So this maintenance stays simple, press once and it handles the rest. So I think the Dreame Aero wet dry vacuum cleaner, it's gonna be ideal if you have low furniture clearance, you're tired of bending and tilting machines, you want the real wet dry 2-in-1 cleaning, you deal with hair regularly, or you just want simple maintenance. This isn't about adding a flashy feature, but it's about solving everyday friction. So I think the biggest differentiator here is very simple: 3.88 inches, ultra slim body that changes how you clean your home. You just don't clean the visible floors, but you can also clean the hidden spaces too. Add the 25 kilowatt pascals of suction, zero tangle performance, dual edge reach, and the reliable runtime. I think you've got a very practical, well-balanced wet dry vacuum that focuses on what actually matters. So if you want something that goes where others can't, this is definitely worth taking a look.